That's weird. Okay, that's been opened by somebody else. Yeah, this does happen with stuff. Sometimes it's customs, sometimes it's delivery drivers. Seeing as we're stealing. Whoa. These are orthopedic slippers. I wanted a pair of slippers or something, so I figured I may as well get something that's actually good, because these things, it's like acupressure. I think they're classified as acupressure slippers. Woohoo! Big bubble wrap. See, these things are great as like mini pillows for camping, as well as packaging. Will they actually fit? Oh Christ, they do fit. I've got big feet. I have got big, wide feet. So yeah, my feet for boots are 16. For normal shoes, I'm about 11. And these actually fit me. Holy crap, God, they feel quite nice actually. Because normally when you get these acupressure things, they feel weird and too hard. These are actually like spongy. So yeah, that's good, I like that.